grade 8. Today I'm here with the exercise 2.2 statement sum, and the chapter name is linear equation in one variable. So these are the statement sums. Statement sum means to say you have to find the equation first, then have to solve it. So what is equation? You know very well. We already had done in our previous session. And what is variable? X, Y, Z, these are called the variable. Kindly go through that particular video which I have sent to you in our previous session, so you can easily find out what is variable, what is equation. So here these are the statement sums, so you have to find out equation and then have to solve it. So let's start. Our first question is, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. What is the number? See bacha, what is our question? What is the number? So first of all, let the number be x. जो हमें नहीं पता होगा बेटा, जो हमने फाइंड आउट करना है, उसी को हम लेट कर लेंगे, इमेजिन कर लेंगे. फाइन. सो हेयर लेट द नंबर बी x. आफ्टर दैट, अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, लेट गो थ्रू द स्टेटमेंट. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, what is the number? We don't know. That is x. But according to question, we know if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, x minus 1 by 2, whatever the result is given by this equation, the result, multiply the result by 1 by 2. So you have to multiply 1 by 2 by x minus 1 by 2. See beta, x is your number which we have to find out. Subtract 1 by 2. So we have subtracted here. And multiply the result by 1 by 2. Multiply. See. Multiply 1 by 2. You get 1 by 8. After solving this, you get 1 by 8 is equals to 1 by 8. What is the number? So you can easily find that here only one variable is there, that is x. Okay, so you have to find value of x here. Kindly start how to solve. So when we are going to multiply this 1 by 2 by x, secondly 1 by 2 multiply by minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into x gives you 1 by 2x minus 1 into 1, 1. Denominator multiply by denominator. 2 multiply 2 gives you 4 is equals to 1 by 8. Now see, 1 into x gives you x divided by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equals to 1 by 8. Okay. Take LCM here. You can get 2x minus 1 upon 4 is equals to 1 upon 8. Now, do cross multiplication here. 8 multiply by 2x minus 1. 4 multiply by 1. So, same I have done here in this step. 8 into 2x minus 1 is equals to 4 into 1. 8 2s are 16. X. 8 1s are 8 is equals to 4 1s are 4. Now, this is the number without variable. This is also a number without variable. So, you can add or subtract these numbers. 16x is equals to 4 as such. This 8, whenever it is going to be shifted, sign should be changed. So, it will become plus 8. Okay. 16x is equals to 4 plus 8, 12. X is equals to 12. Divide by 16 on both sides. You'll get 12 by 16. Ultimate gives you 3 upon 4. So your x is 3 upon 4. This is your value of x. This is the value of variable. So this is your result. Okay, bacha. See, this is the situation which you have to find out from the given statement. You have to create this one, and after that solve it simply, and you can easily get your result. Okay, so let's start with the question number 2. This is also a story sum. The perimeter of rectangular swimming pool. Perimeter. Okay, what is area of square? Tell me. Area of square is side into side. Yes. Okay, what is perimeter of square? That is 4 into side. I'm just going to recall it. I know very well you already had done in your previous class, grade 7, 6 or 5th. So I'm just going to recall it. Area of rectangle, length into breadth. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Okay. So here we have a perimeter is given to you of a rectangular swimming pool. This means what is given to you? Perimeter of rectangle. Okay. This is equals to 154 meters. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. What is the length and breadth of pool? See बच्चा, given आपको सब कुछ है, length भी breadth भी, but indirect form में. So you have to find out what is given to you and in which form is it given to you. If you'll get that, you can easily find your result. So let's start with the solution. This is our rectangular pool. We don't know about the length, direct length and direct breadth, but we know about the indirect length and indirect breadth. So let's start. Let breadth be x. Length, what about length of rectangular pool? That is 2 meter. 2 meter more than means plus करेंगे, 2 meter ज़्यादा है किससे? Twice of its breadth. Twice means to say 2 times. किसका? breadth का. 2 times of breadth, उससे कितना ज़्यादा लेंथ? 2 meter ज़्यादा. Twice of breadth plus 2 meter more than its breadth. So length is equals to 2x plus 2. Got it, bacha? So, and we also know that perimeter of rectangular pool, you can say, or perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. So perimeter is 154 is given to you. 2 as such. Length 2x plus 2. Breadth x 154. 2x plus 2. Open kar the bracket, you'll get plus x. Now here we also have x. This is also x. You can add it. Okay. ये याद रखना बच्चे, x वेरिएबल जिस नंबर के साथ होगा वही नंबर ऐड हो सकते हैं या सब्ट्रैक्ट हो सकते हैं. अदर नंबर्स आर नॉट allowed to add in with a variable number. Okay, like if we have 2x and x, you can add these two numbers. If you want to add these two numbers, 2x plus 2, it can't be. Okay, so 154 is equals to 2 as such. 2 plus here nothing, this means 1. 2 plus 1 3. 3x plus 2. Now this 2, we want to eliminate this 2. What we have to do? You know very well, in exercise 2.1, we had done so many questions relevant to these type of the questions. If you want to eliminate 2, you have to divide both side by 2. Okay, so here you can get 154 divided by 2 is equals to 3x plus 2 as such. 2 ones are 2, 277 gives you at 77, 2 multiply 77 gives you 154. 77 is equals to 3x plus 2. Now we want eliminate 2. So what we have to do now? Subtract 2 from both sides. 77 minus 2, 3x plus 2 minus 2, plus minus cancel हो जाएंगे and you will get 77 minus 2 is equals to 3x. 75 is equals to 3x. Now we want value of x. We don't want value of 3x. So eliminate 3 by dividing both sides by 3. X is equals to 75 by 3. This means you get the value of x here. but we want length also. So what is the length of rectangular pool? 2x plus 2. 2x value 25 plus 2 ultimate gives you 52. So this is your second question. Simple calculation is here. Nothing is difficult. Try these questions twice, at least twice times, so that you can get the way how you can solve these type of the questions, statement sums especially. Okay, bacha. Thank you.